said the anope ye call Kotoka International Airport no yate aban abo no homoden pa se me ka say Ghana school for ni bia ba bedru nti yenko ye Kotoka International Airport sisi na kwechan wo yi akwan echa
meto Ghana na
yate sa school for nya ba bedru all right it is am join Adom TV so say Facebook or say live obehunu echa bo yenko mo kakra
Nana me say if it no pan yogusu aye di enkomo efa Ghana fa wo mo ewe Ukraine no musua de ye ne Ghana ban e de wo mo ebepie mu ewo man Ghana mu na wo hwe kasafonyini ye a etwago ewo TV so de a wonum bi na abetena se a edunsia ne ye hwe kwan so mba beduru sisi o mama ba no me say emu enwotwe ase dubi pe na ababeduru Yeguswa ye twen sedunsia ni nyina eba beduru omunya beduru pra na afei ye no wo mapia bonten akohye abusua ansa na yakọ conference center entinana sede anopa yeguswa ye di nkomo no ebi na ete wonom no enije nko a wo hwe wo manim ne serie nko na ewo wo mo anim ya o mani agiye se aban etimi ede wo mabepie mu ewo man Ghana mo biem
na echa minim se bia for na monya information as to say we mu no omo fa Poland ne ba ya omo fa Romania omo fa ehefa ehefo na aba bedre san se
Nana ye de aso etoto fom no enti ya nya free mpanifo ene se we mu no ekudi kan kopie mu ewo Poland omo free wono eno mo ko Doha eho eno mo ko fa Qatar Airline ena ode be pie mu ewo man Ghana mu nti Qatar Airline ene be si wo mu be fa ede aba be pie mu ewo man Ghana mu na so we mu de Qatar Airline ena ode ebe pie mu ewo man Ghana mu.
All right, nice Qatar Airways na minyi ni se ebre mu empanifo ma mo kwan ma mo no madi nkomo
Sidi entwentwen so kakra na so ye bompa ye se ye kopie mu conference center nipo pese woni ye kasa ne de Adom kasa ye de wonim se ye de ye penchiremu ene mfifi mu ama omanfo so anya biate nti ye bebo modin ase ye ne abusuafo ne bi enne wonum a efri Ukraine ba ye no so ebetimi edi nkomo na de kodie mo ho wo hwe se de ye kɔ no a ye so mo ntete wa mo ho ntem esan COVID-19 yade no enti test no medical ye dada enti wa mo ntete wa mo ho ntem se be ye a enkofa yade bia entre enko fa obia emunti omo hihye omo ho yie atenase nti se de wo hwe no se de ebigusu a wo mo eba ye kan ahwe se 16 no ebeso a eso ya na chese wo mu nyina na aba bedru no ansana ya hwe se ebetimi ene ebi abonkomo.
All right. Echa oyi akwan ma na wase na bibia ni ebesa aba ho biem nua echa oyi akwan na wote nka free Kotoka Ghana de hia na wo ho na eja awofo ne adofo ne abusuafo yem hyehye ebia di kan ba di ne wugidie se wo mo maka no nso se de hyehye ni gu akwan wo beba Dennis nti na chese ye bebo Ministry of Foreign Affairs so aba so ye pa we yinom eye omo a omo cross border no from Ukraine ekura Poland na de wo mo no.
I think say any I mean from the get go we hear the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and manage the situation now. It also clearly say they were in touch with Ghana for the war Ukraine from because initially they told them so we'll be baby in share, we'll be baby helped because someone on my boy my coordinate here and if you go so a bomb pie exchange and coupon say more macano and so into maybe because I know you'll be ample no bit me chance now but to be a contact Ghana depending on be one. This is good news. Yeah, Yemo bedroom sitting kwa. Yes, so more can so into mekayo. Human rights abuses and tronkwa. A deliberate orchestration from the NDC. A idea omonida wa omashada o madwum no say to the bia utwantro bebre na ukoso twantro na be no kre. And that's what they are trying to do. Menyini se Ghana ni bi o to kromi wa Ghana bebia be gia court. O man breso net sense. Am be no kra antro let akokomot. I've given you examples. More examples of Mahama, Awudu Mahama mo. There was another Emmanuel Kubibi. I also can one more channel. More example of Fadi. I channel ewo airport. Obi ni baby no kwashe. More example. Edu baby crowd pay. Me asema omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama kan ye eni. O se aban the bulldozer krampo in the beku ntati ano krombe. So long as omadribo no. nipa ko no wadwom no
dia na ukoti
omampani dada kofo e complete ha makese no ene eku ntetea nti omampani kofo asemo kan in 2012 no April 2012 John Dramani Mahama response ni was the government will even use a bulldozer to kill the ants whose intention is to foment trouble. This was after they've gone into the arbitrary arrest of Kene Japan, Awudu Mahama, the reporter, almost about 400 newspapers, 400 radio stations, any TV stations, Facebook near there, and I ayo mojuma. Yanko chi obi aye. Ono a friend is saying honorable teller bi oka say so obi anche ne. Metie obi ameche me, obi anche we. Oko multimedia platform obi anche obi aye. Enti utro letema come out say kettle free speech. Ayo ntro na atwa. Bobi Ansa was arrested because police fought to suffer no one call. He wasn't arrested even based on what he said, because of what he said. Because the Okayanum there, police and Kwakwechino. Almost the invitation on several occasions, he did not go. The police have released a statement to explain this. And he wasn't arrested based on Nasamo Okahe. I need to make us a free speech. He was arrested based on the miscreant behavior by refusing the invitation of the Ghana Police Service. Baker or what court is here? He's arrested because Osi Obeyeku. That is what he said. NDC force yenja omo. Nipa nso Obeyeku ba yenja no. The same NDC. Se nipa no koso no yeku an kombeka senti aba intelligence ante. Nipa no try so be onyaku obeye no omo ehu. E na omo tira wo ye ni hwe ne han e na waba Obeyeku no. Unim sania omusuban tie. Enom kase ya etrom kase. It's all about political expediency. Ade bi on be ye be momanya political boba isi ese ma ye nyina ma ndisi 40 years yese Ghana fon kan ye say omu raise concerns about MPP amembu ntia no mo pay ndisi yo Ghana fon ka obebi ada Ghanaians have never said say oh na you say omampeni ekufado ye say enunti ye pay ndisi. They should put that at the back of their mind.
Yes, Uncle International Important say Deputy Foreign Affairs Minister no address press na yintie de oka yewra kwaku ampretwum sapon yintie.
And a very difficult journey. We share with you the anxious moments that you've had to go through in the last couple of weeks. But at the end of the day, you are here with us and we welcome you. And we thank the Almighty God that He has been with you and see you through and brought you home. And in the next couple of minutes or hours, you reconcile and re-engage with your families. We have to thank your leaders who has worked with our officials at the various missions to make it possible for you to get here today. And the government is determined to continue to make sure that your colleagues who are still in transit to be evacuated will eventually be evacuated. Now, there is one important thing that we need to score. Information coming in indicates that Ghana is the first African country to have been able to evacuate some of their compatriots and some of their students. So at least, if not for anything at all, the government of Nana Osei Ampofo-Adjei has scored the first. After this short engagement with you, and at about 10 o'clock, the Minister for Foreign Affairs will be meeting the parents of students who have been caught up in this unfortunate situation in Ukraine. Ghana on its side is doing its best to try to encourage Russia to stop the attack and the atrocities that they are meting out on the citizens of Ukraine. And we also want to go on record to thank the International Migration Organization for the support that they are giving. And we also want us all to remember our compatriots who have so far not been able to be evacuated. As at this morning, we understand there are about 500 of our compatriots who've managed to cross from Ukraine to the other neighboring countries. especially Poland, Romania, Hungary, Moldova, Slovakia, and just a couple of minutes ago, we understand some of your compatriots are Sumi. Hopefully, will be able to cross over to Russian territory itself. The government has laid plans to evacuate every student or every Ghanaian who is prepared and ready to come home. We have liaised very well with Qatar Airways and Turkish Airlines, and they have agreed that any Ghanaian who has crossed to any of these countries where they do fly will be flown home within the next couple of days. It is very important that we all do remember them in our prayers, that the good Lord will deliver them safely into a safe shelter and eventually back home to Ghana. I thank you very much and I welcome you home. Come and enjoy your stay back home. And we are sure in the very near couple of days, hopefully Russia will stop its aggression and it becomes possible for you to go back and continue with your education. On behalf of my minister, I wish to welcome you finally again and then to thank you for your attention this morning. Akwaba, once again.
How many people are we expecting to come in?
There you go.
UTV. Where is
You were
UTV?
told not to go there.
Thank you.
Eti ebo ehia kumana na kontonchi desie yera kwakua mpretwum sapasa ntema mpomrahye bedwani ona eso afọ bi de kira ohwe amanane nsem so ona ate so address press no o kire anamonto aban na to as we speak Ghana adesie bes ahenum na timi akroso free Ukraine osan ede nsem bi etudwa moma yentie kakra nsa.
A fifth medical year student at Bukovanian State Medical University. I've studied for 5 years in Ukraine, and this is quite unfortunate we have to come home. But I want to first of all thank the Almighty God, also thank the government of Ghana, thank the various ambassadors, thank the ministry, and also reassure parents that their children will be back home. Siblings should be calm, friends should be calm. The government is doing its possible best to make us all come back home. For the meantime, we want to say thank you and we appreciate whatever has been done for us.